So this is the one that wouldn't start a minute ago. He's got something going on with his battery selector switch. It wasn't allowing power to go to it. Go ahead, and then he was complaining about his choke. Go ahead and press it. So it's making a click, so it's working right. He's having a hard time saying it wouldn't start because of the choke, and it was overheating because it wasn't having any cooling water. It had a new lower unit. There was an impeller that we pulled out of, which was quite worn out. So go ahead and start it.